Welcome to Veggie Friends. Today, we're going to learn all about our vegetable buddies and their names. Are you ready to meet them? Hi there, friends. I'm Veggie Buddy, and I'm here to introduce you to my vegetable pals. Let's have some fun. Look, here comes our first friend. Say hello to Carrot. Carrot is crunchy and orange. Next up is Broccoli. Broccoli is green and delicious. Look at Tomato. Tomato is red and juicy. Here comes Potato. Potato is brown and versatile. Say hi to Lettuce. Lettuce is leafy and great in salads. Check out Pea. Pea is small and green, hiding in its pod. Next, it's Spinach. Spinach is leafy and full of iron. Look at Onion. Onion is white and makes us cry when we chop it. Say hello to Bell Pepper. Bell pepper comes in many colors and is crunchy. Look at Brinjal. Brinjal is purple and delicious when roasted or fried. Say hi to Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is long and green, perfect for curries. Check out Jackfruit. Jackfruit is big and spiky, with sweet yellow flesh. Next, it's Bottle Gourd. Bottle gourd is pale green and often used in soups and stews. Look at Cauliflower. Cauliflower is white and can be roasted or made into yummy rice. Say hello to Cabbage. Cabbage is round and comes in green or purple. Last but not least, here's Mushroom. Mushroom comes in various shapes and colors, and it's super tasty in many dishes. Wow, we've met so many wonderful vegetables today. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thanks for joining us on this veggie adventure, friends. Remember, vegetables are not only tasty but also good for you. Keep exploring and learning, and we'll see you next time on Veggie Friends.